Yo, I don't think I'm posting this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I'm gonna do something a little bit different with my channel tonight. It's 11 o'clock at night. Wow, my room looks empty. Wow, I need water. So I got some makeup the other day. I went to Dothan because I had an appointment. And we wound up going to TJ Maxx. I got some eyeshadow. It's like for smoky eye looks and everything. I don't know makeup terms. I am not a makeup artist. I am not all into makeup, so bear with me. This is the smoky eye stuff that I got. And I also got some contour. So this is a contour I got. I also got some brushes. Wow, my eye itches. I also got some brushes. And it says soft smoky eye brush set. Oh, and I also got this. I got a distractions. I got a crimper, and I've been wanting kind of a beach wave. I might attempt to do that tonight too, but this might just be a makeup video. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take all of the makeup off. We're just gonna move in here. Somebody screamed in the other room beside me. Excuse them. And yeah, I'm gonna like pull my hair back. First of all, yeah, I don't think we're doing the whole crimping thing tonight. Y'all, what is going on over there? People getting lit. Okay, it's just gonna look rough. Like I already do. All this screaming. So the first thing I like to start out with is a moisturizer, because my face is really, really dry all the time. So let's start off with a moisturizer. Moisturizer. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands. Okay, I don't use foundation. I have a powder, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my powder on. If you're wondering how long it takes me to get ready in the mornings, like makeup wise, 5 minutes tops. 5 minutes. Because I literally do what I just did, and then I put on mascara and eyeliner, and then I put on some blush, and I'm ready to go. Oh, I don't have any concealer.
And which areas you want to pull back and recede. So if there's a certain part of your face though, so keep fish sucking face like so, and they find.
Oh my gosh, this is about to be a disaster. Oh, 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 oh. It's okay, guys. It's all good. Disaster waiting to happen. Told you. I don't know what I just did to my face. Honestly, I don't even see a difference. What the heck? Alright, we're done with contour. I don't know what I'm doing. Actually, let me go ahead and put my blush on. See? I use my little blush. Blush brush. Blush brush. Alright, so this is the blush. My aunt actually got this for me for Christmas. This is the blush I use. And then I use this brush. This brush. And I normally, these are the colors inside of my blush. And I normally use this middle one right here because I mean, I'm sure you can tell that's the one I use. That's the one I normally use. These other ones have glitter in them, and since I already have a little bit of glitter on my face, you know what? I'm going to go all out. I'm going to use this one over here. So I'm going to use Fearless right there. We're going all out, guys. We're going all out. We got our blush. We're ready.
Okay, so first thing you want to do right off the bat is pop on a transition shade. So whenever you're creating like a dramatic smoky eye, you always want to work from lightest to darkest. So
what's a transition shade?
When we're doing this, we're actually creating like gradual transitions so that it has a nice gradient and it doesn't just look.
So I'm using this shade right here. The lightest shade over there. This is about to be a disaster. Oh, I can't see. No, come back. You're not allowed to go out. We have transitioned to the bathroom. So now we were doing a transition shade. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is about to be so bad. Oh, I'm nervous. Like, I'm so nervous. Ew. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm opening my brushes. In the floor you go. Oh. Down there. Oh my gosh. This is making me so nervous right now. This is not working. Y'all, look at my eye. Look at my eye. What even is this? What is this? Alright, so we're moving on to doing my hair. Okay. This actually is a 3-in-1. Oh, it comes with a little case and everything. That's so cute. Oh, whoa, I'm pressing things. How do you get this thing to... Oh, okay. Don't break things. I wonder if... What? Wait, does it actually lock? Oh, it does. That is beautiful. Ah, I love that it locks. Okay, alright. We're putting in this wave right here because it kind of has like a, you can see it from the side, kind of has like a little thingamabob, you know. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just rambling at this point. And pose. Oh, that's actually cute. Yo, that creeped me out for a second. My light in my room just went off because they go off automatically. Okay guys, my camera died. This is the finished look. The back definitely could have turned out better. Let's see if I can show you guys the back. And honestly, I think the front turned out pretty okay. This side definitely did exactly what I'm looking for with my hair. I think a little bit more practice with that and I will be like perfect. I will be good to go with that. But that is the finished look and I'm actually really proud of it. Pose. Pose. Oh. Okay. Okay. The makeup thing did not turn out like I wanted it to. The hair did exactly what I wanted it to do. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video of me failing at everything. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below if you want to see more videos of me failing at doing makeup and hair and yeah. And I will see you guys. Never mind, I'm not even gonna say that. If you have any ideas that I could do with my hair, that I could do with my makeup, try to do with my makeup. I'm not good at makeup. I think that's pretty much it. All my social media is on my outro, so just, yeah, go follow away. Yeah, okay, bye.